Hello mga kabahay! Once again, this is Mark and dito tayo ngayon sa pinakagusto ng mga OFW sa Saudi. Istiraha. Ano bang istiraha? Ito ang tinatawag na istiraha. Yan. Hi ma'am, kumusta? ¿Qué pala, Luis?
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a
May swimming pool din, pwede ka maligo.
cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea.
Hi ma'am, good morning. Anong masasabi mo sa istirahan namin?
Very nice and spacious.
Ba't ka nag-iistiraha?
Kasi, pag-stress tayo, pwede tayo, di ba, ang istiraha is
Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so. And now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
motherfucking stars.
Mga kabahay, at kung kayo po ay isang OFW, lalo-lalo po dito sa Saudi Arabia, bihirang-bihira lang po sa OFW ang pumunta dito sa Istiraha. O kaya ang Istiraha ay tinatawag nilang private place, tulad po nito. Malayo po ito sa city. Tapos tingnan niyo po naman, ito po yung place na makapag-relax ka at ngayon lang po medyo may kamahalan pero sulit naman. Napunta lang po kami dito kasi po yung sa sponsor namin, kumbaga. Joke lang, nag-set up kami ng sound system para po sa mga customers nila, kaya napayagan kami pumasok. At i-update ko po kami mamaya kung ano po yung mga mangyayari. Alright, kung bago pa lang po kayo sa channel ko, don't forget po to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And kung gusto niyo po punta dito sa lugar na to, just comment down below. Bibigay ko po yung details tsaka paano pupunta rito. Ay, wait. At dyan po nagtatapos ang aming video dito sa Istiraha or private place dito sa Saudi Arabia. Kung may mga tanong po kayo, don't forget to comment lang. Tapos bibigay po namin ng mga detalye kung paano pumunta rito at saka kung anong mga itsura dito. Marami pang istiraha dito pero ito yung napili namin. Nakapasok lang kami dahil sa sponsor namin. Ngayon, huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-like,
Comment
share,
and subscribe!
visit the notification bell para sa updates. Thank you!